How much?
I'll try to pull my chair. And that's how you do that. Here's my card.